This is a 2013 Ford Mustang, a car that begs to be driven. It features a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, side curtain airbags, a rear window defroster, a rear spoiler, the Secure Lock anti-theft system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 14,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Texas Auto is located at 16200 Highway 3 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.